Hello, my name is Joseph Severance. I work for PLS, and today we're going to be talking about whether or not a laser welder is worth the investment for your shop. Given the abilities of the laser welder, it is an easy system to learn. Training can be done in no more than 2 days before integrating the welder into a shop. Some shops that have integrated laser welders have noticed a 3 times production output as opposed to when they were using TIG and MIG. Not only that, but a laser operator is cheaper and quicker than a TIG welder, which will save you a lot more money in the long run. The system has an easy-to-understand interface. This makes training much easier when going over welding specs and processes. Training mainly focuses on work angle and welder programming in relation to different joints and positions. Maintaining the machine is as simple as doing a few step processes every so often to ensure everything isn't loose or misprogrammed. If you go to our website, which is pepcorelaser.com, and look at our products, you will see the machines that we sell and the prices. Now, the prices may seem high, but compared to other vendors and other companies that produce their own laser machines, these prices are actually very low and very affordable. In case studies done with previous clients, laser welding has been proven to be 2 times faster than MIG and 5 times faster than TIG. In some of those case studies, shops with constant workflow have seen a 3 times production output, which led to a large increase in revenue at the end of the year. If you're curious about laser welding, you can head to our webpage. There you can find contact information, welding guides, and safety gear for those of you who may already have a laser welder. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you for watching.